Hey everyone, Technoman here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the focus issue on your camera for the iPhone 16 Pro, 16 Pro Max, or any iPhone that you have as well. So let's get started. Now there are multiple things you can do to fix the issue. First thing is, I recommend if you have a case on, removing the case that can interfere with the front camera here, or even the back camera. Sometimes those cases have a cover, or they get in a way where they mess with the actual focus here. Now along with that is to make sure your lens are clean. So take a microfiber cloth. I usually like to wipe them down. Over time there could be a buildup of oil, dust, debris that could also interfere with the zoom and the focus. Here you want to make sure they're cleaned. Same with the front one. If you're having issues, just simply wipe it. You don't have to do too much. Just take a simple microfiber cloth and wipe it down. Now after you have those two simple things, the next thing you want to ensure is that if you have put on a new tempered glass, especially if it's for the front one or screen protector, make sure that isn't causing the front camera to not focus. Same with the back. If you have a camera lens on, there are covers that you can put on. If you happen to put them on, I would recommend removing them as they can interfere with the focus as well. Now the next step is going to be actually utilizing the camera app itself. So when it comes to focusing, you always want to tap on the area that you're looking to focus. When you do that, it helps the camera focus on the object here. If you just happen to do it all over by default, it can also go ahead and not focus. Now along with that is going to be the next thing, which is going to be checking these two settings out. So in your settings on your iPhone, go over to the camera here, and from there on scroll down where you have these two settings. First one is the lens correction. By default this is turned on to correct the lens distortion. So I recommend is turning it off and then checking for you if that camera focus is better. Another setting you can turn off is that macro control. Again, this will be switching your wide, ultra wide camera to do macro, which can activate the different lenses, causing it to not focus correctly. So go ahead and try that on, and then the combination where you have one of them on and one of them off. See which one works better for you in terms of focus. You might find that it might help you in your scenario. So these two settings, go ahead and toggle them on and off. See what that looks like both ways, and then you should be able to see your camera hopefully focusing better. Now along with that, if you're still having issues, it's time to go ahead and close out swiping up and then closing out the camera app like that, and that will allow the phone camera, when you reopen it, you can have a fresh start. Now along with that is going ahead and doing this process. We're going to quickly press and release the volume up, quickly press and release the volume down, then hold on to the side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. So I'll do volume up, the volume down, and then I hold on to the side button just like that. And I keep on holding that side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. This is known as a force restart, which basically shuts down the phone software, reloads the code, and once you see the Apple logo, you'll let go. This method is safe, will not delete any of your data. From time to time, you want to do this in order to fix any issues you're having on your iPhone. So here I'm just waiting for it to go ahead and turn back on normally. And once it's back on, we'll do one more final step. So once you're back on, and if you're still having the issue, in your settings, go to general, software update, and to check if there's an update out here. Let's go ahead and check. If there's an update out, it'll say here you're going to go ahead and update your phone to the latest version. And the reason why that is, over time, a previous update might have caused issues with the focus and such, and if there is an update, it'll show up. If it's already up to date, you don't have to do anything. But I hope following these steps fix the camera focus issue on your iPhone. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button. Also, if you found a better way to fix this, leave it in the comment section to share with everyone, and we'll see you guys next time.